welcome to channel. Okay, so here we are going to learn problem number 75 from LeetCode. Okay, so the problem name is sort colors. Okay, and the problem number is 75. A statement is given an array, okay, numbers with an object color red, white or blue. Sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent with the color in the order red, white and blue. We will use the integer 0, 1 and 2 to represent the color red, white and blue respectively. You must solve this problem without using the library sort function. Okay, so here you can see we have number equals to 2 comma 0 comma 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma 0. Okay, so this is the input and output we got here 0 comma 0 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2. Okay, so here you can see another example, number equals to 2 0 1 and 0 1 2. Okay, so here we need to uh, take one example, like if we have number 3 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, so in pass 1 I equals to 0. Okay, we need to compare. Okay, so which one is greater or which one is less. Okay, so if we have compare 3 and 1. Oh, sorry, I need to explain you bubble sort. So we are going. I mean, we are using bubble sort to solve this problem. So here we need to check bubble sort. Okay, so I have already explained in my previous video, but now I am going to explain you again. So bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm, also known as shrinking sort. Okay, it works by repeatedly swapping adjacent element if they are in the wrong order. Okay, so we need to swap element if they are in the wrong order until the list is sorted. Okay, so compared to adjacent element, okay, like you need to compare element A with the element B. If the left element is greater than the right one, swap them. Okay, so we need to put a smaller element in left side and bigger in right side. Okay, so continue for then the entire list. This is called a pass. After each pass, the largest unsorted element bubble up to the correct position. So repeat the passes until no more swap are needed. Okay, so here we need to check example. Okay, so we have numbers equals to 3 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, so in pass 1 I need to I need to take I equals to 0 and compare 3 and 1. Okay, so 3 is bigger than 1, so swap 1 with 3. So 1 is at first place and 3 is at second place. Okay, after that we need to compare 3 and 2. So 3 is bigger than, so now we need to swap 3 with 2. Okay, and result after pass 1 largest number 3 is at the end, and this is the bubble up. Okay, okay, now we are going to increase pass 2 value. So I equals to 1 here. Uh, Before I did I equals to 0, and now I am going to do for I equals to 1. So here I need to compare in pass 2 1 with 2. So 1 is smaller, so no need to swipe. So here we have exact similar list 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so no swipe needed, array is already sorted and break early. Okay, so final sorted array 1 comma 2 comma 3. So in simple words, outer loop I count passes. Okay, after each pass the largest remaining element goes to its correct place. Okay, and in inner loop compare number j and number of j plus 1. Okay, so here we can see uh, this is the first element we took it is a current element j equals to 0, and this one we can take it as a j uh, I mean uh, j plus 1. J plus 1. Okay, so this is the this one is j and j, this one is j plus 1. Okay, So swapping move bigger number to the right like vowel rising. Early stopping if no swap in passes already is sorted, so step immediately. So now I am going to solve this problem. Now I need to import from typing import list. Now I need to define class solution. S is the capital. Okay. Now I need to define function. Define function sort color. Okay. Here I am going to pass self comma numbers in list list int. Now n equals to length of numbers for I in range and so I am using I for number of passes. Okay, and 4. Okay, for I in range of n swapped equals to false. Now for j in range 0 comma n minus I minus 1. If numbers j is greater than numbers of j plus 1, numbers of j swap with number of j plus 1 and number of j plus 1 swap with numbers of j plus 1. So here mm, so number of j swap with number of j plus 1 and number of j plus 1 swap with number of j. Okay, so I need to write swap equals to true. Here swapped equals to true. Okay, here I did mistake for j in range. Okay, If not swapped, then I need to break. Now I need to submit this. Okay, I got error. Invalid syntax, line number 10. Oh, here I need to put equals to. Okay, so here indentation does not match outer indentation levels. Okay. Hmm. No attribute sort color. Did you mean sort color? Actually, CULORS. I think this is a small s because this is already defined by lead code function or class name. Okay, so the code has been accepted by lead code and all cases passed by lead code. Okay guys, so should I explain again, or please do comment if you have any doubts regarding this problem. So here you can see this is the class and this is the function. Here I am going to pass number of list or in a I mean numbers in a list. Okay, so here n equals to length of numbers for I in the range. Here I have already explained you I for passes. Okay, so here initially solve equals to pass for j in range of 0 and minus 0 comma and minus I minus j. Okay, if number of j is greater than number of j plus 1, then you need to swipe. Okay, j swipe by j plus 1 and j plus 1 swipe by number of j. Swipe equals to 2. If not swipe, we need to break it. Okay, so this is very I mean easy problem from lead code. Okay guys, bye bye, take care. Please do share, subscribe and like. Bye bye, take care.